Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here in Chambersburg, Ohio, which is in Columbiana County. It's a neat community on the corner of 172 and Knox School Road. I'm going to do a tour of the town right now.